How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over a bunch of stock picks I got for you guys in this down red market, as well as 11 stocks that I just bought and some deposits I just made. If you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell. I would really appreciate that. Let's jump right into it. Oh, before I forget, if you want to find out what this channel is all about, what I do here, hit the description below. I do give a detailed explanation of what my channel is about. Also have affiliate links down there if you want some free stock and some free money. Also provide you guys with links to my social media platforms if you'd like to follow me there as well. Kicking it off, if you don't, like Bitcoin, then forget Bitcoin. 4 stocks to buy, hand over fist instead. We got CrowdStrike Holdings, ticker CRWD. Crisco Labs, ticker CRLBF, which is the OTC over-the-counter stock. And we got Vertex Pharmaceuticals, ticker VRTX. And Salesforce.com, ticker CRM. CrowdStrike and Salesforce are both stocks that I hold in my long-term portfolio as well as my house money portfolio. We got 3 stocks to buy if the market crashes by 20%. Currently, it's only down 5%, so it's not even in correction status. Of course, correction status is 10%. A bear market or a crash would be considered 20%. It doesn't look like we're going to go that low. We're hitting that SMA line, so it looks like that's where we'll hold support. But just in case it does crash by 20%, I got 3 stocks to buy. These will be 3 stocks you'll want to keep to hedge against the market if it does dip by 20%. So we got Intuitive Surgical, ticker ISRG. We got Roku, ticker ROKU. And once again, we got CrowdStrike Holdings. And Roku is another one that I hold long term, as well as in my house money portfolio. We got lithium and hydrogen trades, 5 battery related stocks to watch. We got Piedmont Lithium ADR, ticker PLL. We got Able Marble Corp, ticker ALB. Livent Corp, ticker LTHM. Plug Power Inc, ticker PLUG, and Philset Energy Inc, ticker FCEL. Plug is one that I own in my long portfolio, as well as a house money account, and Philcell is one I'm very interested in buying in the coming months. Next, I got 5 growth stocks billionaires can't stop buying. We got Teladoc, ticker TDOC, TODC. We got Fastly, ticker FSLY. We got Plantaneer Technologies, ticker PLTR. We got Snowflake, ticker SNOW, SNOW. And we got Tesla Motors, of course, ticker TSLA. All 5 of these are also stocks that I personally own in my long-term and my house money portfolio. Next, we got best stocks to buy this week. 3 energy stocks to watch. We got Solar Edge Technologies, Inc., ticker SEDG. We got Petroleum Corporation, ticker OXYL. We got SunPower Corporation, ticker SPWR. Solar Edge and SunPower are 2 that I currently own in my long-term and my house money account. This here will be Spotify. This is 1 share that I have in my Webull portfolio. As you can see, I got into this when it was $261.40. Those shares are currently valued at $378. So I am up $116.60. Total percent gain of 44.61%. Bought this back in November, so it's doing pretty well. These next 3 slides are just basically Spotify on the same day, running up a little bit more. Ended up $118.08. Next, we got Baidu Inc. This is in the stash portfolio. As you can see, it's a $45 investment. I am up 174.49%. It is up $78.52. So my $48.5 is valued at $123.52. And these will just be my top 3 holdings in my stash account. Some more stock picks for you guys. We got NIO, ticker NIO. It's been on a downtrend all of 2021. This is certainly a stock that I have at a price target of at least $100. So I added it back to my watch list. It's already something I own. I'm just going to build my position and add some more long-term positions in other portfolios in NIO. We got ARC Fintech Innovation, another stock I already own. I own all 4, going to be 5 once ARC X comes out. I own all the ARC ETFs, as I do like what Kathleen Wood's doing, and I do cherry pick, some of their stock purchases as well, just to kind of avoid that that ratio fee for owning the actively managed portfolio. Next, we got BMY, Bristol Myers Squibb, a great dividend play, something I also already own. Added it right back to the watch list as I'm going to build my position in my long-term portfolio. The new stock pick for us is ticker RH. I actually got this from Warren Buffett. His Q4, I think it's F12 filing or something like that, just came out, and I was just looking at what he bought. A total of, I think, 8 or 9 stocks. 6 were repeats and 2 new stocks. So this is where I got this stock from Warren Buffett. Another one I got from Warren Buffett, ticker MMC, Marsh & McLennan. Then we went ahead and purchased in the Cash App. We're going to get to the 11 stocks I bought and some deposits. We purchased $17 worth of iShares Core, Total International Stock ETF. ETFs are great. They give you great diversification with low volatility. This is basically like the total bond market ETF by Vanguard, but this one's provided by iShares, and it's actually the international bond market. So everything outside of the New York Stock Exchange, which you always want to have, exposures to other markets outside of the United States, just to diversify your portfolio. Sometimes it can be difficult to invest in international stocks, as you may be difficult to follow, or there might not be as recognizable companies as we see on the day-to-day in the United States. So just purchasing that in the ETF, where you get a wide variety of the large cap, mid cap, small cap companies in the international sector, and also get exposure to all those different markets, is always a great place to put your money. Next, we bought $18 worth of NetApp in the Cash App portfolio. We went ahead and deposited $60 into the public account. I'm sorry, this was in the stash account. We deposited $60. We purchased $14 of Fizz, which is National Beverage Corporation, in the stash account. All of these are going to be long-term purchases, and most of these I already own in other portfolios, as I do have 15 different portfolios. So these will be long-term investments, and like Fizz I own in some other portfolios, but I didn't own it in a stash, so that's why I'm building a position here now. Then we purchased $15 worth of ARCT, which is a therapeutic holdings company. We deposited $60 into Webull. Deposited $69 into Vanguard. We deposited $60 into Robinhood. As you can see here, we bought BMY as well. We purchased $11 worth of this, which is 18% of a share. We purchased Sunrun, ticker RUN. Purchased $12 of this, which is 18% of a share. We purchased ticker ONTO, which is 20% of a share at $13. We purchased MASS, MASS. We purchased $14 worth of this, which is 21% of a share. And then we purchased Riot, which is 23% of a share at $15. Riot tracks, it's basically a blockchain mining company for Bitcoin. So they have been running up You know, they're up like 900% on the year. Bitcoin recently just took a dip with all the other cryptos. So this was a nice dip buy here for Riot. And then we went ahead and put another $60 into the stash account. Put another $61 in the Webull. And then we deposited $8,520 into the Robinhood account. We purchased ticker LDEM, $16 worth in the Robinhood account, which was 24% of a share. We went ahead and purchased $17 worth of CNS, which was 26% of a share. And those were my 11 buys for the day, as well as my deposits. And of course, I provided you guys with some great stock picks to look into. Please do your own due diligence. You can look at the stock picks and, you know, the stocks that I'm already into or the stocks I buy. You know, just do your own due diligence, do your research. You know, look at their fundamentals, their balance sheets, their financial reports. Look at their technical charts if you know how to read them, and you know, see exactly why those are stocks that I'm offering up to put on you guys' watch list or that I'm buying into. That'll complete today's video. If you like the content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell. I'd really appreciate that. And thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.